What's happening today? This is round 2 of our Corvette collection saga.
Stingray hunting.
So what happened in the last episode?
What happened in the last episode? We got the first one, the coupe.
Yes.
We got the coupe back.
Okay.
Whole van load of parts. Now it's round 2. We're headed back over to get the convertible, which is going to be a little bit more of a process. So you'll get to see that in the video. So it's adding another layer of adventure to today's thing, but we'll get it done. So that's where we're at today.
Sweet.
Today's a big day. Hopefully we can get all the rest of the treasures into the van and get the car loaded up.
Do you think it'll all fit?
Issues. I really hope
Turned
so.
into a lot bigger thing than what we originally
Thought.
Nick. Yeah, it's
Right.
become a real. This guy had his entire life dedicated to Corvettes.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah,
It's a lot.
He stashed away so much treasure in his garage. It was unbelievable. So I have yet to actually see what's remaining. So we're gonna see if we can get it all.
Yeah.
It'll be a big day.
I'm not 100% sure I'll be able to get it all, but we'll see. It looks like a lot of stuff.
We're gonna do everything we can to figure it out.
Awesome. Okay, we're gonna go catch our bus, our van, so we don't get shouted at.
And for passengers, all the passengers, you will be disembarking the vessel.
This is our 67 Corvette rear suspension rigger kit. I don't know what you want to call it, but this is what we made, so we can take this thing home. This replaces the rear lower control arms.
Okay.
So this goes from side to side.
Nice.
And these are a representation of the rear shocks.
Wow, that is actually pretty cool.
Hey, how about that?
That's
So
pretty
we're
awesome.
gonna go toss this in.
Make some rudimentary suspension.
And here's the trailing arms. We're gonna put these into the car. So we're gonna get these in this in place, get these in place, tie it all together, and we should be able to send it. Just send it right up onto the deck.
Awesome.
Let's go home.
Sick. No springs or anything.
No, we don't need that.
We
We don't need that. That's what these things right here. These replace the springs. Yeah, these are what do you call these, struts?
Yeah.
Yeah, hard struts. We're going full rigid.
Full
in the
race
back
car.
of this one. Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Okay, what do we got? Oh man.
Brand new fender.
Oh,
Kinda.
nice.
GM, factory GM.
Wow.
This guy doesn't mess around. I like his style. That's fucking treasure. Hey, where's the gas cap?
Where's the gas cap, man?
Here, I got a little piece of reality television for you right now.
Uh-oh.
What's up?
I gotta find the bathroom in a hurry.
Oh.
After the commercial break.
Yep.
Now, for a word from our sponsor.
I know. Is he gonna make it to the bathroom? That's the question.
Stock control arms, trailing arms. Okay, look at that. That's nice.
That's nice. Oh, the dash piece. Oh yeah, that was for the other car because we were missing it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Sweet. Like all these panels in the roof.
Yeah.
There's all kinds of treasures hiding up inside
That's
there.
crazy.
So
Like,
we're gonna want to go
look
through
at
all
this.
of them. Literally have no idea what's there. So it'll be a day of exploration as
Yeah.
well. Pretty exciting. So
Awesome.
two stock
Oh,
67
perfect.
trailing arms right here. So
Okay.
we'll just use these instead of using the new parts that we got.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, watch
Yep.
the feet, eh? Ooh, I see an issue.
Already?
I see an issue.
Oh, broken it.
Is that gonna come out? If that can drive out that way, then we're winning.
Like it's. Well,
We'll just grab the other ones.
Oh, that hurts.
Don't damage yourself.
Okay, it's too early in the day for damage yet.
yeah.
I think we just did a podcast about being damaged. We don't need that yet.
No.
I mean, I
Quite
never
a bit.
counted, but there was a whole stack of camshafts out there.
Mm-hmm.
So, and then crankshafts, like, yo, we got like 4 or 5 cranks, 5, 6 cranks, a whole bunch of heads. So I think we're gonna be okay. I think we're gonna have enough space in the van today.
Good.
But it's gonna be a heavy load.
Yeah, it's gonna be very heavy.
To what?
Mission
Turbo
350. Yeah. That looks
and
like a bigger one.
two-speed.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's amazing how much work this guy put into just like
organize, making the
creating
shelves.
the organization system.
Pretty awesome.
Yeah. There's a whole nother set right there.
Oh, are those New Balances?
But get out of here.
No, shoot. I was like, oh my gosh, it's like the Corvette manual.
She's checking all the boxes. Okay, I'm gonna need some New Balance.
All we need to do is find a pair of jeans.
Yeah.
Oof.
I'm gonna need a coupe and a convertible.
Yep.
1967.
Oh my God.
I didn't fall into my normal trap of making things too precise.
Too much, yeah.
So I left a little extra room for clearances.
That's good.
So
Yeah, because I'm not sure if you know, the reason why we're doing this is because if you look underneath there is literally virtually no suspension at all. So, yeah, we have to pretty much bolt everything on in order to be able to tow this.
yeah, easy peasy. We're not trying to reinvent anything too intensely. We're just trying to get it on the trailer so we can
Yeah.
get it home.
Yep.
When we get it home,
We'll figure it out there.
I think our intention is to get both of them into running and driving state.
Sweet.
And then we're gonna decide what we're gonna do with these things.
Yeah.
Whether or not they're gonna be project cars or if they're gonna find a new home somewhere else. So
Cool.
let's get them home though.
Yeah.
We gotta like really dig in to see all the treasures that we have in all the boxes. Really dig into these cars. They both look pretty amazing. So I think we're in a pretty good place.
I prefer this color to the
Over
yellow.
the butternut yellow?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. That seems to be the general consensus in the shop. I disagree.
It looks like it brings out more of the body lines. I don't know.
I don't know. This is my least favorite Corvette color.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. So at least there's two of us in the shop. That's
Oh
it.
shoot.
So
Okay.
it's what, 2 against 3?
Blue, black, red, any of them. This color is I've never been a fan of this color.
Wow.
Oh, look at that. Brand
That
new.
looks that is
Brand new.
beautiful.
So we have a full set for this, but we didn't want to use them if we didn't have to.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be a little bit of a sketchy scenario, but if we can at least get it on the trailer, I think we're gonna be fine. Nice. Sheet. Huh? We're getting
Nice.
her sorted. This is exciting. We're gonna have this thing on wheels soon.
Sweet.
Yeah. How about that?
Sweet.
Oh,
Sweet.
that's really nice. Okay, we'll just tighten it up just a little tiny bit.
Someone could actually use that for their car. Like it's not.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could.
It's like the Panhard bar.
Okay. Okay, so we'll come back and tighten it up after.
Sweet. I know, right?
No, that's legit. That was hard. That was hard.
Wow. That
Look at that setup.
beautiful.
I mean, it's gonna do what it needs to do. This whole thing.
Close this. Set the heart.
Nice.
It looks like you're rowing a boat or something.
Boss, man. That's not how this works. I watch all these chasing classic cars, and that guy is never putting in work. The only thing
Just
he
standing
does
around?
is open the trailer,
Oof.
and then he does this. Okay, now that we got that in the trailer, but they never show him
Actually
putting
doing work. Mm.
anything in the trailer.
Yep.
Coming back tomorrow.
No.
After that push,
We're almost, I know.
I don't think I'm loading 5 engines after that push.
Oh my God. What's happening?
Okay, so we're gonna get the hard top out.
Oh, it has a hard top?
Yeah, we got a hard top for this thing.
Was this like an option or aftermarket?
I don't actually know.
I don't know.
Because I'm not a big Corvette guy.
Yeah.
Oh.
No.
So that's going to hurt a whole bunch of Corvette people's feelings.
No.
Yeah.
Ooh.
That is
The big
nice
reveal.
looking. I know, right? That was perfect.
Ooh. Totally planned for that. Got this end. Okay.
Doesn't look bad.
Looks all right.
But still, nothing like the coupe.
No, the coupe's
Nothing
legit.
like the coupe.
The coupe has lots of potential in my mind.
Oh yeah.
This one's actually it's growing on me a little bit though. It's a pretty sick car.
Yeah, it's cool.
You know what's crazy though? This one has the 4-speed, and the coupe had the automatic.
They should
Does that
just swap
seem
'em.
backwards?
Yeah, I know. They should just swap them.
Yeah. If we actually decide to build these cars,
You'll never see the road again. We'll make them so nice you wouldn't dare touch them or drive them.
Wow.
That's what we do with everything.
So sad.
We're working on a museum.
Hopefully Tim doesn't get stuck. I think coming down here will be fine. It's going up with all the weight in the back.
Yeah,
It's gonna be a
Might
challenge.
give Tim a bit of an opportunity to play back here in the back.
True.
Do a nice
Donut?
sweet lawn job donut right here.
Yeah. Hey. I think coming down you're fine. Going back is gonna be the challenge. Nice. This thing is loaded.
Loaded.
With wait, how many engine blocks? 5, 6?
Five complete engines, minus the cranks, but heads, blocks, and then I think enough parts to put them all together.
Wow.
And then we still got to put a trailer on this thing and get it
Oh
home.
my gosh. So this thing right now, what would you guess all this weight has cost the van?
4,000 pounds.
Yeah, I'm guessing more.
So, Chevy Savannah van, Chevy
Okay.
Express van, best vehicle I've ever bought.
2-wheel drive though, so we'll see.
Wow.
Yeah, don't praise it
Come
yet.
on, man.
Don't praise it yet until you get up this
Been to the
hill.
other side of the world and back. This is the most reliable vehicle I've ever owned.
True.
Don't jinx us.
I know. We say that we break down 5 minutes later.
So let's just call this good for today. There's still some in
I
there.
got giant hot dogs at the pretty time. No, sure, we're staying the night. In what may be a haunted house.
Oh no, yeah.
I would
I'm not staying here.
I would haunt you.
I'll sleep outside in the cold.
What are we doing with this?
Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, shoot, you made it. I was a little bit worried for a few seconds back there. Because, yeah, it was some of those things were kind of lifting up a little bit, but
Fine.
made it.
Over. Wash your hands and get out of here.
Yeah. Carolina squat?
Carolina squad, is that
Yeah.
what you call that?
Yep.
Okay, we're out.
Sweet.
Do it. Oh my god, I gotta fit in there.
Yeah, look at your luxurious seat.
That's Porsche.
Porsche.
Man.
Porsche, yeah.
Come on.
Yep.
That's how we do.
Nice.
We should have got the big block while we had Elvis. After seeing him one hand that small,
No.
I just snatched it up.
That was not as hard as I thought it was going to be.
What are you
But
trying to say?
it was. No, it was like I just expected it to. Maybe that's also why I put all the energy in my body to like lift it, and that's why I looked at it. But I was like,
He's just basically trying to call us out or something.
no,
It's like, what do you?
First he beat us down, and then he's trying to make us feel better about ourselves.
no.
It's like a psychological sort of thing.
Oh my gosh.
He's a little sluggish.
Yeah.
We'll be okay.
How are you doing back there? in your
Oh, I'm
crib?
doing gloriously.
Oh, that's awesome.
I'm sitting back here in style.
Yeah.
I got lots of room. We're good.
Nice.
That's for her and somebody, and then he's gonna have 3,000 pounds of steel come through the windshield.
Well, let's hope that does not happen. That would be bad.
It's just not fair, really.
Yeah. Saved up his life and getting stuff. And
It's starting to make me think about what's gonna happen when I go. People are
yeah,
gonna
I
be
know.
so pumped.
I honestly was thinking the same thing too. Like it made me think, and it's like, damn, like what happens after I go? What's happening to all my project cars,
It's gonna be
everything?
worth like $80, and they're gonna end up in the scrapper.
So sad, but
Because that's what happens. I've watched all these wives. It's like, yeah, what? 2,500? Yeah, go ahead.
take everything. Wow.
I just don't want to deal with it.
Yeah, that's sad.
But just think of all the animosity they built up through your entire life as you brought all this shit home.
Yeah.
How euphoric it must feel for them to just like take
let
it all.
everything go. Yeah.
I'm still processing.
We haven't even gone through all the
We
stuff
haven't
we
even
got
gone
yet,
through all
so
the
we
stuff.
Yeah.
gotta do that, and then we'll make some plans.
Yeah.
But we got a whole bunch of sharks circling in the water right now. So, oh, there's a stingray pun.
But what?
Stingray pun.
Oh, sharks circling the water.
Yeah, so we don't know what we're doing yet. Hopefully one will turn into a build, but we have somebody who might take all of it all in one shot.
Wow.
Like this video, please. We appreciate
But
it.
not by force. They have to like it.
Subscribe if you haven't already. There's probably lots of you watching and haven't. And yeah, hit the bell. Get notified when we upload new videos, because we do a lot. So, cheers. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
And we'll see you in the next video.